Jonathan from Rain Brothers here, rainbrothers.com. Today I'm going to talk about our TankBuddy supplemental fill valve. This is a perfect way to supplement your water tank. So if you have an irrigation system that you want to run primarily on rainwater, but you still need to keep going even if the rain tank is low, this is a great way to introduce water into your tank from a different water supply, like a well or a municipal water supply. This TankBuddy device will go through your tank wall at the top. Ideally, you want to make sure to install this at least 6 inches above your overflow point on the tank so that the maximum fill height does not extend up to this TankBuddy. You want to keep that maximum fill height below the TankBuddy so that there's at least a 6-inch air gap between the spout of the TankBuddy and the maximum fill level of your water tank. You'll drill a hole through the water tank, run this threading through the hole from the inside, and use this nut to tighten against it and thread your supply piping onto the threading of the TankBuddy. On the inside of the tank, you have a floating device that can be easily calibrated to rise up and down in the tank. You can set the interval so that you only fill, let's say you want only to put in 3 or 4 inches of water in the tank. You don't want to fill the tank all the way up because then there's no room for rain come next rain event. You only want to put a few inches of water in on the bottom of the tank. You'll just move this stopper up or down this string to set the fill level, and then once the water rises up to this point, it closes that valve and shuts off the water supply. So this is an easy way to increase the total supplemental filling in your tank. Then of course you can adjust this so that you're only filling the very bottom part of your tank. Tie this rope shorter so that if you have a shorter tank, or keep it long if you have a taller tank. The TankBuddy works very simply. It just when the water level drops, the float pulls down on this lever which opens the valve, and then when the float rises, it shuts the valve again and stops the flow. If you notice a problem with your supplemental fill valve here and it keeps running, the chances are good that you have a clog in the filter. And it's actually very easy to clear that clog from inside. You just twist this body right off. It pulls out from this threaded piece. And there is a filter screen right here that does need to be checked and cleaned to make sure it's free and clear and doesn't clog the valve here. Because if a small piece of debris gets caught in that bladder that opens and closes, it could stay open. So just make sure it's free and clear there. Pop it back into place, twist it, it'll lock, it'll make a sound, you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this helps. This and all of our rainwater harvesting products are available on our website, www.rainbrothers.com. We greatly appreciate your business, and please remember to like and subscribe. It does help us keep videos like this going on our channel. Thank you.